Hello, my angels, how are you all? I am back on my YouTube channel with a brand new video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Priyanka and you're watching Touches of Makeup. Please take a moment to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. So, in this video, I am create a basic smoky eye makeup look and transfer the look into 3 different looks. I just change her lip color and the hairstyle. So, let's start the video. First, I am using a Plum Facial Mist as a pre-base. I shape her eyebrows with some eyebrow pomade. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade dark brown. You can see her eyebrows are not plucked. It's really very difficult to draw an unplucked eyebrow, but I am trying my best to shape her eyebrows. Next, I am taking a concealer. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC42. I used the concealer as the eye base. I am taking a small sponge to dab the concealer on the eyelid. I dab onto the eyelid very smoothly. For fixed the concealer, I am using the RCMA translucent powder. This is a very good quality translucent powder. I absolutely love the powder. For her eyes, I am using the eyeshadow palette from Morphe James Charles palette, and from this palette I am taking a light brown shadow as a transition color. Then I am taking a dark shadow and I apply to the inner as well as outer corner. And then I am using black color into the outer and inner corner. With a fluffy brush, I am blending all the colors together. Today I am going to create a cut crease eye makeup. I am taking the same concealer to cut her crease, and I am using the brush from ProArt. Today I am going to use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer for cut her crease. And I want to create a spotlight smoky eye makeup. I apply a little bit shimmer onto the cut crease area. With the same brush, I am blending all the colors together. Blending is most important for any eye makeup. I'm using the same dark brown eyeshadow to sharpen the inner and outer corner. For liner, I am taking a gel liner. This is from Inglot AMC 77 liner. Using the gel liner, I create a small winged liner, and with a small brush, I smudged it very smoothly. This is actually a pencil brush. So next I am moving to the base makeup. First I am using Avon facial oil as a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that you have or use a facial oil. It's very important to use a good quality primer for a long lasting makeup look. For foundation, I mixed two foundation, one from MAC NC42 and one from Milani, for a suitable tone to my model. It's better to always mix some foundation to get a flawless base and correct shade for your skin tone. With a blending brush, I am blending all the foundation into the skin very smoothly. I apply the foundation in a dab motion onto the skin. With a damp beauty sponge, I dab the foundation onto the skin. For concealer, I am using the same MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the shade NC40. I apply to the under eye area as well as mouth area, and I am using the same beauty blender to dab the concealer onto the skin. For cream contouring, I am taking a contour palette. First I am using the contour with the contouring brush. This is from PAC. I also contouring the nose little bit. I set the contour with the same beauty blender. To set the whole face, I am using RCMA translucent powder. This is very affordable and very good quality translucent powder. Next, I finished the eye makeup by smudging some kajal, and I am using the same gel liner from Inglot into her lower lash line. And take some brown eyeshadow to smudging the under eye area. Now I am using NC40 and 25 MAC Studio Fix powder to set the entire face. For powder contouring, I am using Sugar Deforce Contour Palette. For blush, I am using Morphe 8B blush palette. I absolutely love this palette. For highlighter, today I am using Huda Beauty highlighter palette. I am taking a small pencil brush and using the highlighter. I apply the highlighter on the inner corner as well as the high points of the face. So if you like the video, then please like, comments and share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. For lip, I am using Wet n Wild lip liner. So this is the first look. I created a haldi look by putting some haldi jewelry. Please let me know how is this. And the second look is basically Alia Bhatt inspired look from the movie Karan. If you like, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And third is the glowing night party makeup look. So this is the look I created from one makeup look transfer into 3.